Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Crafted by Tim. This video was actually filmed probably pretty close on about a month ago, and I was really hoping to get this out a lot sooner, but well, since starting this video a lot has changed. It has put off sort of making this video for quite some time. Let me tell you exactly what is going on in this project. By the way, I lost the intro to this video, so I'm just going to re-explain it to the best of my memory. I am going to be making a knife sheath for a friend of mine who lives in Sydney. Or, I already have. I'll be showing it to you now, but it's already been sent off. Twice. Spoiler. The idea behind this build was that he wanted me to make him a knife sheath, and I thought, splendid. Let's give this a shot. I went to Western Leathercraft. They were able to help me out getting all my leather. It's not a sponsored video, but they're cool guys. Go down there, check them out, see what you can get. But yeah, Western Leathercraft. I managed to get a bunch of leather. Luke had just purchased a new knife. This knife, which I cannot remember the name of, as well as he already had I believe it's a Leatherman Charger. So these two knives complement themselves very well. Problem is that the sheath that Luke was given didn't actually have the ability to hold both knives. So he wanted a new sheath. Also, the old one was floppy and gross, I think was the term. He wanted me to make him a new sheath, nice thick one, nice heavy one, one that would take a beating. Had to be compatible with Molly. And if you don't know what Molly is, it's like this attachment system that uses webbing. Usually you find it on bags and stuff like that, like military stuff. They had to be able to hold both knives, and the other thing that he wanted me to do was to be able to hold a 308 cartridge. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I know this video is going to be all over the place. I'm just going to try and edit this to the best of my ability. a few different points of mounting. The first one that we're going to test is, of course, this one, which is the Molly system. So for that, I have my bag here. I reckon this is probably going to be easier to try and do on the table. So basically just feed it through to the bottom, and then we clip it on. That's a bit better. And it sits high enough that it's actually off the shoulder. You get that full range of movement. And the other one is, of course, the strap up here that I wanted to leave a nice gap for, so you could feed your belt through it. It actually sits quite nicely. It's not too high that it's gonna be you're gonna be knocking your arm against it, but it's not too low that you're actually reaching down any lower than you need to for it. It also doesn't affect the movement of your leg because it's got that nice high point of contact. I'm actually really happy with the way that worked. That's really cool. Oh, and of course we have the D-loop up the top there. If you want to, if you do want to have sort of a drop leg holster style thing, you have the D-loop, D-ring, so you can do that. Hey, it's me again. I said to Luke that, you know, if there were any problems with the sheath, you know, he could send it straight back and I'll get it fixed up for him. And then there were problems. So, not major problems, just little things. The main one was that this snap that held the Leatherman was a little bit too low, so it was too loose, basically, and the Leatherman could slide up and down. It didn't slide out, but it could slide up and down, which was not great. So he sent it straight back, paid insurance for it and everything like that, and he sent it back over with both knives in the sheath. Here are those pictures. That was one hell of a project. In the end, I really want to thank you for giving me the opportunity to give something like that a go. And to everybody else, please consider subscribing to help support the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, as choppy as it was. And I'll see you guys all in the next one. And until then, remember to stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers.